First of all, this is not a sponsored video. No one is paying me to talk about Nama. No one is paying me to talk about their show. But you know what we do on this channel. I talk about my journey into the business, and this was a part of my journey. I went to the Nama show in 2018. That time was in Las Vegas, and had a great time, and that's what this video is about. I'm going to tell you about my experience going to the Nama show and the benefits, how it can benefit you as a vending operator, how it can benefit you as a potential vending operator of being a member of this organization and just going to that show. What kind of energy and what kind of enthusiasm you can get. Let's go.
One machine man!
Go on, we done this is Machine Man doing machine things. I'm Jason Edmond, aka Machine Man, bringing you content on the vending machine business, like locations, proposals, products and services, vending machines of course. If this is your first time meeting, welcome, and I hope you consider subscribing. But if return like my good friend Wendy, big up yourself, salute, let's jump into the content. Welcome back guys, let's go. NAMA is the National Automatic Merchandising Association that represents the convenience services industry, providing resources and educational opportunities to its members. For me, as a vending operator, I'm excited to be a part of this organization as a member, as I find the resources very beneficial for me and running my business. NAMA has a wealth of resources that I can tap into, which I find valuable, including ongoing education, research, new technology, and new products. But one of the most important things for me is that it is an organization with over 1,000 member companies and a host of vending operators that I can network with and form business relationships. Imagine being able to pick up the phone or send an email to solicit feedback or ask for advice or recommendations. Having these kind of connections at your fingertips is one of the main reasons that I find membership valuable. NAMA has its annual convention coming up called the NAMA Show, being held on April 6th to 8th at McCormick Place in Chicago. This show attracts over 4,000 attendees from all over the world every year, from the individual who wants to get started in the business to the established business owners. Not to mention the wide array of exhibitors where you can learn about new products and technology in the industry. The NAMA Show has something for everybody. I'm attending this show this year for the second time, and this is a great opportunity to learn from the best, see the wide array of new technology available, and get a better understanding of what I need to know to run a successful vending machine business. By the time this video airs, the early bird for the NAMA Show probably would have passed, but my bad. I'm sorry guys for not putting this video out earlier, but it just came to me like I should probably do a video on NAMA and the experience I had there. So I said I'll do the video anyway. Going to the show in 2018 was a really great experience for me. That was one of those times when I was just stuck in the moment, just being there as an island boy, going to the big city among all these movers and shakers in the industry, amongst all these big vending operators and major companies, nationwide companies. It was just a great experience for me. I was overwhelmed. I was so in tune to what was going on around me and just taking in all the energy, all the positive energy, all the motivation that was being passed around. It's just a strong, nice experience I had.
We're working with AMS too.
Yeah. Okay.
How you doing, man?
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, how are you doing? Yes, sir.
You know me. Nice.
So we mark this for convenience.
It's stuck?
That happened often with that point kind of equipment.
Are those problematic, that mechanical arm that delivers your product? Do they cause problems?
we live that kind of problem a lot.
These are your machines? These are you guys? Or?
No, not at all.
Oh.
I'm a vending operator in Montreal.
In Montreal?
Quebec, yes.
Okay.
What about you?
I'm operating in Antigua.
In where?
St. John's, Antigua.
Antigua.
Yeah.
Nicer weather than Quebec.
Yes, definitely nicer weather than Quebec.
I was probably one of the smallest vending operators there. I was definitely was the smallest vending operator there. I made operators with 60 vending machines to operator companies who have 600 to 1,000 vending machines locking down the entire state. Then I met nationwide companies who had vending machines throughout the states. I was just soaking it all up, being amongst all these successful people within the industry that I'm a part of, and it was just awe-inspiring. I would say it's a very good investment for anybody who's trying to level up their business, especially for people who are already in the business, especially if you're already a vending operator. This would be a great show to level up. I met with vending operator companies, I met with VMS companies, vending management software companies, I met with coin counter companies, and it's always a joy meeting other Caribbean people there. At the conference, we took on the floor, we walked the exhibition floor, spoke to a few companies together. That was a great experience as well. The very first people that I spoke to, I met a mother and daughter vending machine operating company. They were big, they were huge, and they were great. They broke my ice, got comfortable, spoke with them. I met them in an educational session, which leads me to one of the biggest benefits I find at the normal show, the educational sessions. Now, whether you're into coffee services, water services, full line services, micro markets, there's an educational session at the normal show for you. They're very informative. Again, the information there is very helpful in just getting you to where you need to be, to where you want to be within this business. Believe it or not, the educational sessions is what I'm really looking forward to on this trip in Chicago, because I didn't get to partake in much of that. I was just on the floor most of the time. I was on the floor mixing and mingling, networking. But education sessions, I want to take more advantage of that part of the program. Oh, I can't forget, I met with my USI family. It was great seeing some familiar faces. USI, they sell me some great machines, and just seeing them and talk with them, converse with them, seeing the new technology that they had.
Charge. How you doing, man?
All right, how's it going?
I'm good. I'm good. All is well. This is a 6 wide, right? Yeah, it is. It's a lot of product, man.
Yeah.
Man, these Evoque 6s are some attractive machines, man. Check it out. USI.
Hey, don't forget to like this video. Wandering around on the exhibition floor was the main highlight of the NAMA show for me. Here you get to touch, feel, sample, communicate, to see the best of the best in the technology, the best of the best in the new products, all the cutting edge, all the bleeding edge technology, all the new products. You could sample some. There I remember seeing this vending machine that actually cut oranges and freshly squeezed orange juice out of a vending machine. That was like, whoa, this is 2018 now. So I've seen it since, but that was the first time seeing it at the show. And there was a long line, there was a crowd of people surrounding that vending machine at the time, watching it, the orange roll down, then get cut and squeezed.
Completely separate. You never taste any juice at all. And the peels will drop down into a bucket, compost. And then if you look further down there, you see where the juice just comes down that little spigot. This is a refrigerated unit, they're refrigerated. So obviously freshness is going to maintain for a long time. I mean, you think it's like health department and everything else sometimes, depending on where you are, they're a little bit more strict. But
And you have to wash. Oh, you gotta wash these before, right?
yes. Yeah, quick wash. Smells right.
Yeah, that's some orange juice down there waiting. But in terms of, I mean, it has to be clean. You have to clean these before you put them in.
wish I would have seen it being clean. No. But you know what's it? That is because it is self-clean. That's something that it's self-clean. What happens is you're going to two water tanks in here. So you notice you don't taste any bitterness from the skin either. So there's the tank just takes regular tap water and there's a little clean.
Brushing shoulders, mixing and mingling with CEOs and and managers and so many different people from these major companies, having conversations with them. I mean, there's nothing you can do but be inspired from that kind of interaction. I can tell you, I leveled up from it. So I left Las Vegas motivated and returned to Antigua with that energy, with that enthusiasm. The very next day, less than 24 hours. Let me just show you how I leveled up, instant level up. Within 24 hours, I had the motivation to go out and speak with a potential client. And this location, I was flirting with the location for a while. I was looking at it, I was like, I really want to go, but I wasn't ready. But for some reason I was ready, and I went out and I bagged my first location less than 24 hours coming back. Whoa, correction. I bagged my first location back in 2010. What I meant to say was, after returning, I bagged my first location of that year, 2018, within 24 hours. All right, let's get back to it. Then, that location led me to get another location within the same week. So I was able to furnish those locations within a week. I was able to by the weekend. So I returned on a Sunday. By the Monday, I was sitting with the decision maker for that location, and that decision maker put me on to a second location. So I got 2 locations right off the bat. Through a series of events and a few months later, some ups and downs, through that link, I was able to land my airport contract. So it's crazy. So everything, I would attribute everything to going to the normal show, because that enthusiasm I came back with kind of snowballed me into going and getting more locations, especially some top locations. Small vending operator, big vending operator, doesn't matter who you are. Once you're in this business, once you're in the automated merchandising business, ATMs, vending machines, whatever, wherever you fit into this industry, the leaders of the industry will be at the normal show. So if you can, I think you should try and go. If you haven't liked this video already, hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. I look forward to seeing you guys in the comments too. Make sure you comment, let me know where you guys from, and let me know if you'll be attending. Anyway guys, big up yourself, Machine Man do machine things. See you guys in the next video. Boom. Level up.